Matthew Lee, Inner City Press. I was listening to downstairs. There was some Freedom of the Press event, but so I was listening to it. And I wanted to ask you this. It seems to me it would fall in your mandate, and if you can just, whatever your thoughts on it are. And I guess you could say it's a language issue. In Cameroon, there's a portion of it that's called former British Southern Cameroons, and there's they said they have a right to a referendum. There's various political aspects to it, but they had been granted the right to have that part of the country have the common law system, speak English in the schools, because they had had a different colonial history. And recently, in this year, they've pretty much eliminated the common law system. They've attacked the schools, and then they turned off the internet for 94 days for 6 million people. So do you see, I mean, is this, I want to understand, I guess, your mandate. Is this a cultural right? Is it a right for people, particularly where they were given in a federal system the right to continue to speak their language, And is it a human rights violation for a government to essentially try to knock out both the cultural underpinnings and the language itself as a way of sort of integrating a part of a country?
I have not received information about this particular situation, so I'm unable to comment on it, but let me say I would be open to and happy to receive information about it through the communications process that I have, like all of the other UN human rights experts. But I can say generally, certainly, that language rights are a part of cultural rights, a very important part of cultural rights, and an issue that I have looked at in all of the country missions that I have carried out, and certainly in any country situation, a sort of radical scaling back of language rights would be an issue of concern, but I'm not able to comment on that specific situation and would welcome further information about it.
Watch your inbox.
Thank you.